Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming drivers and firmware match your OS. This prevents enrollment errors. Once verified, plug the Digital Persona 4500 into a direct USB port and wait for device recognition. Make sure power is stable and the vendor utility is installed. This gives access to advanced options. Next, launch the biometric enrollment tool and choose Fingerprint enrollment immediately. Do not skip configuration. These initial actions let you control sensor behavior and template formats before you now enroll fingerprints with consistent technique. Center the pad, press naturally, and roll slightly for full ridge capture. Once done, perform 3 scans per finger to build a reliable template. The software will merge them into one template. Make sure to lower the quality threshold only if you understand false accept risks. Also, configure template storage location and encryption options so templates remain secure. After enrollment, test verification, mode immediately to confirm matching behavior and tweak settings as needed. Finish by integrating the reader with your target application and run multiple authentication attempts to validate success. Note match scores and error codes for future reference. Once satisfied, export encrypted backups of templates and the configuration so you can restore quickly after updates. If something goes wrong, for example repeated failures to match, first try a clean driver reinstall and re-enroll the finger. If that fails, swap USB ports or use a powered port. Hardware faults or dirty sensor glass often cause intermittent read errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.